The House panel investigating the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol is asking the Supreme Court to weigh in, and quickly. This after former President Trump's latest appeal for the High Court to block the release of his White House records. CNN's Paula Reed live with more. I guess the question is, how quickly will the Supreme Court decide this?
Well, we never know exactly how quickly the High Court will move, but former president has asked them to block a demand for some of his White House records from the House Select Committee investigating January 6th. Now, Trump's request comes after two lower courts rejected his arguments that the records are protected by executive privilege. The U.S. Court of Appeals also backed the legitimacy of the investigation overall. Now, President Biden has refused to invoke executive privilege over the disputed documents, citing the extraordinary circumstances of January 6th. Now, the Supreme Court is not obligated to hear Trump's lawsuit, which seeks to prevent the National Archives from giving the House Select Committee documents that include activity logs, schedules, speech notes, which investigators believe could reveal some of what was going on inside the White House during the insurrection. Now, Trump has asked the court to block the records from being sent to the panel until this overall issue is decided. Now, following Trump's request, lawyers for the January 6th committee asked the Supreme Court to act sooner than its normal rules call for, citing the, quote, indisputable importance and urgency of the committee's investigation. They're asking for at least a decision on whether they'll take up the case by mid-January. Now, the final decision in this case will have significant implications for the investigation, as several key witnesses are refusing to cooperate, citing executive privilege.
We're watching that case closely. Paula Reed, thanks so much.